Hello everyone. I'm back again with another interesting lesson on English grammar. Using this, that, these and those is not as easy as it seems, isn't it? But I firmly believe that there is always an easy way to do difficult things. Learning is very simple and easy with Mr. B. So let's get into the pool of learning. Hi friends, this is our demo room and here I am going to demonstrate the usages of this, that, these and those with some simple examples. So let's begin. This is a water bottle and that is also a water bottle. Now let me go to the other side. This is a water bottle and that is also a water bottle. This is a ball and that is also a ball. What do the examples that I gave mean? If the object is with you or near you and you can take the hold of it by stretching your hand, then we use this. And if the object is far from you and you cannot take the hold of it by stretching your hand, then we use that. This pen is in my hand, so I can say this is my pen. Now look at this. The pen is at a distance and I cannot reach it even if I stretch my hand. So I say, that is my pen. Please remember we use this and that with the nouns that are singular. Singular means anything which is only one in number. If the noun is plural, we use these and those. For example, I have only one pen in my hand. I have a pen. So I can say, this is my pen. Now I have two pens in my hand, so I would say, these are my pens. This is my pen. These are my pens. This is my pen and these are my pens. That is my pen and those are my pens. Look at this chart for a better understanding. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. This and that are used with singular nouns and these and those are used with plural nouns. The plural of this is these and the plural of that is those. So you can say this is a football and that is a football. These are footballs and those are footballs. Besides this and that are also used to talk about the time and experience as well. This is a nice game. I'm enjoying very much. I loved watching today's game. That was a nice game. Using this, that, these and those is very easy, isn't it? Now let us summarize what we discussed today. This is used to talk about a person or thing near to us and that is used to talk about a person or thing far from us. We use this and that to talk about a person or thing that is only one in number. The plural of this is these and the plural of that is those. These is used to talk about the plural nouns that are near to us and those is used to talk about the plural nouns that are far from us. Far in the sense you cannot reach to it even if you stretch your hand. Besides this and that are also used to talk about the time and experience as well. For example, this is a nice game. That means you are watching the game and that was a nice game. That means the game is over. And with this friends, my video is also over for today. If you love this video, please love my channel too. All you need to do is to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again next week with another interesting video. Learning is very simple and easy with Mr. B. Stay tuned.